welcome back to 21 Days to Good Skin. In the last episode, we did blackheads, so today we'll be dealing with whiteheads. Now, a lot of us think that we don't even have them, which is fine because a thin layer of skin covers them up and they appear as white, so we can't see them. But all of us have it, believe me. And they're also just like blackheads, but they're very rigid, they don't come off very easily. But this face mask will basically help us, and we will need only sugar, brown or white, and coconut oil or honey, and I think we'll add some lemon as well. So just basic things which are just lying right there in your kitchen. So get up and make it and use it on your face. Come, let's begin. This is how the consistency should be like. Very thick because it's a scrub and it's a go-to scrub, like sugar and coconut oil. It's a go-to scrub. And also make sure that your sugar is granulated, it's powdered, because it'll be easier to apply. I'm using brown sugar here. You can use white as well. Also, when you're gently rubbing it, um, do it in the upward motion like this. Don't do it downwards. You don't want your skin to be hanging too early, right? So just to take everything upwards. I did the scrub for good 10 minutes and my skin is smooth as butter. You won't believe it. I can just glide my fingers through it and it's a smooth surface, which means that all the, blackheads, whiteheads and all the dead skin is just off the skin and it's smooth as hell. So I really like this sugar scrub, yeah. So give it a try, send me pictures if you try it, and I would love to see your response on this. I will see you tomorrow. Bye for now.